Facebook Ads Management Dashboard Walkthrough. Facebook Ads Management Dashboard Walkthrough. In this video or in this lesson, I'm going to show you how I want to show you the levels of Facebook Ads Management Dashboard, as in the levels. We always say there are different levels. I just want to walk you through and show you how it looks and things you need to do. We are not setting up any ads. We are not setting up any ads. Now, before this time, we were using Facebook Ads mobile app. Facebook Ads, yes, mobile app. You download it from Play Store and use it to set your ad if you want to use your mobile device. This is a mobile device I'm using. For those of us that are using mobile device, you use it to set your ad. Before now, you go to and type in meta for now. Before now, it was Facebook Ads Manager. If you go now to type in Facebook Ads Manager, to come out, but it will show Meta. Download it and use it to run ads on your mobile device. But now what happens is you can change the view to desktop view and use it to run your ads, and it's even better because Facebook Ads Manager is designed to show better on desktop. That is your laptop, your desktop view, and all of that. There you have more better view. You have all the features there. Yes, you want to run your ads, you have all the features. But for those that are using that mobile app, that Facebook Ads app that they download from, I have it too, but I don't even set up ads. You for those that are using that, you are limited. Those that are using it can attest to that. You are limited. The features are not complete, just few. There are things you can't even do with that app. There are so many things you can't do with that app. There are so many things you will not see, and the interface is not the same as the main Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. It's not the same. You will be a bit there's a bit confusion there. Let me put it that way. Then now, when you're changing it to desktop view, you have the same view as the desktop, and you have every feature. But the thing is that this one is looking smaller because it's your mobile device. So now, before you start using it, we're going in now. So you open your Facebook, you log into your Facebook account on Chrome browser. You open Chrome browser and log into your Facebook account. When you log into your Facebook account, the next thing you want to do is you come to the top right on the browser. See, my own is open. You come to the top right and you click on the three dots there. When you click on the three dots there, this drop down menu comes out. You come down, you can see desktop site here, desktop site. You click on it. When you click on the desktop site, everything that will now change to start looking like, it will now look like the desktop. It will now give you the desktop view. That is the difference now. It will now give you the desktop view. This is how you go into the ads manager. Now you see now the way it's looking now is the same as when you're using your laptop to view your Facebook account. This is the Facebook page of Lolia Digital Skills Academy. This is the Facebook page. So what you do now is the next thing you want to do now is to go into Ads Manager. You now still come back to the top right and click on the three dots there. When you click on it, it will now bring down. You now open a new browser. When it brings down the menu, you click on New tab. This first one, the new tab. Click on New tab, and what you do now is you type in adsmanager.facebook.com. Type in adsmanager.facebook. You see it there, adsmanager.facebook.com. adsmanager.facebook.com. You click on Go. It will now take you to Facebook Ads Manager. You will now get inside of Facebook Ads Manager using the desktop view. The difference is that this one is a smaller screen. The screen is not it now, but you still have the same features. Those features on your laptop. When you open Facebook Ads Manager on your laptop, those features you see there, that's what you see here. You see the same thing here. So now we are here, we're inside of it now. That's opened for us. The next thing you want to do now is you see how you set up your I told you I want to show you, I want to do a walkthrough on how the ads management dashboard works. I want to do a walkthrough with you. We are not setting up an ad, no ad yet. Let me just show you. You can see it now, it's open. All you do now is this plus create, this green button. This green button is what you click on to start up any ad you want to do. That is if your Facebook ad account has been set up. Before now, it used to be something you just automatically go to Ads Manager and start doing your ad, because by default every Facebook account has an Ads Manager attached to it. But now what they do is you have to set it up. So if your own is not set up, there's a video for that. You set up your Ads Manager account that is not done ads before. Now for this one, if you want to set up a new ad, you click on create. You click on create, the green button that has a plus sign. It has plus create. You click on it and you see now it's opening. It's opening for us. We are going to the first level of Facebook Ads Manager. The first level, which is the campaign level. I've done a video on that before now. The 3 levels of Facebook Ads management dashboard, the 3 levels. I've done a video on that. So we are going in to see how it looks or how it works. Now you can see now it has opened. This is the first layer. This is the first level. This first level has this campaign. This is the campaign level. It has different segments. So we're going to see all of them. Now this one has the goals. For every ad you want to run, you should have a goal. As a business person, you should have a goal. What do you want to achieve with every ad? You should have a goal. You should say, I want to make sales. I want to make 100 units. I want to make 1,000. I want to sell 1,000 units of my product. Or I want to drive people to my website. I want to drive traffic to my website. I want people to go to my website to view something or to read what I've written there. Or I just want to create awareness. I just want to know that let my target audience know that I'm around. That's for people, mostly for big brands, just to put your brand top of mind in your target audience. You can say I want to have more followers. For those that want to have more followers, who will follow your page, who will like your page, or I want people to interact with this post. I want people to comment more. I want people to view my videos. I want people to share. I want to create engagement on your page. You should have, if you have such goal, you can do that. I want to get leads for my business. I'll be following up. Maybe for those that are selling high-end products. I want people to install my app. You should have a goal. I have a video on that I've already done before now. Go and check out that video on these things I explained. I explained them one after the other. All of these objectives: awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app, promotion, and sales. So this is the first level. You just go there, get the video and I explain them better for you. Now let's say this is our campaign. We want to sell, because everybody wants to sell. You want to sell. You click on sales. Click on sales. Click on sales. That's it. At this level now, you can see this top. After buying type, the next thing you see is auction. This top here, auction. This is the default setting. You leave it at default setting. I mentioned it in the one I explained all of these things. If you open it now, you see reservation. Just leave it at the default setting, auction. Use that auction to run your ad. Don't change it. So we've chosen sales. The sales now is showing us the destination. Where do you want people to meet you? Now let's say we want people to meet us on our WhatsApp, the other WhatsApp DM to communicate with us to buy our products, because we have different level places you can say conversion, that is going to your website to buy or to call you or to come to Messenger or to DM you on Instagram or to come to, now let's assume that it's WhatsApp. We want them to communicate with us. The next thing you do now, you click on continue. You take it to another part of the campaign level. Take it to another part. Now this is a part of the campaign level. Now this one is of recent. It is not, there are some videos or there are some lessons you will see that does not have this. This advantage plus shopping campaign is their default setting. This one, if you use this setting to run your ads will be showing everywhere. If you are running it on Facebook, it will show on Facebook feed, it will show by the right hand corner, it will show on marketplace, it will show on video feed, it will show everywhere. Your ads will just be shown on everywhere. It will just be showing, and it is not good for you, for your budget. You don't need it. What you do, you change it so you can tell Facebook where you want your ads to show. Don't allow your money to be scattered. Your budget is small, 5,000, even 10,000 is small for this. So there are people that use 10,000 to leave it on this automatic place. This automatic. There are people that use it, but I don't advise that. For 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, it is not advisable. What you want to do now is you click on this manual sales campaign. Manual sales campaign. You've changed it. You've changed it to this manual sales campaign. Remember, we are still on campaign. We're still at the campaign level. We are trying to choose the campaign setup. We are still at the campaign level. And I now click on continue. Continue to take you to another part of the campaign level. We are still on campaign. And now take you to another part of the campaign level. What you do now is, when you get there, I'll show you what and what is opening, taking us there. Now this is a level now. You leave all of these things, all of these parts. You don't touch them. The only thing you do is you click here, this one that under the campaign name that has new sales campaign. You delete it and you write the name of your campaign. You can give it any name. See, I'm trying to delete it. You just delete it and give it any name. You can call it A, you can call it I, you can call it your name, you can call it sales, you can call it your business name, you can say shoes campaign, you can anything. You can just call it anything and you move on. So all of these parts, let me show you well. All of these parts, they are parts all of these parts, see them, you leave it. These ones are for another lesson, maybe for advanced class. And for beginners, you just leave every other thing here the way it is. The next thing you want to do is click on this blue button here, next. You click on next to take you to the next level. Now we are done with the campaign level. We're done with the campaign level. The campaign level has three levels. We chose our goal. The next thing, we change our placement, which is we change from automatic to manual. Now we are naming our campaign and we are leaving other things for now. We're not touching them. So the next thing you want to do now is you come over to the second level. This is the ad set. It's not showing well, maybe because it's a mobile. See the name now, ad set. We are the second level, the ad set level. What you do now is you click on this box here and delete this new sales ad set and give it a name. That name you put in the first, you can transfer it here, give it any name, just put it. Now we chose sales, so it's now bringing us to messaging. If you want to send them to your website, you can click on website or app, website and app, message app, and calls. That was what we saw there. I showed you that. Now you can see drive sales and conversion through Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. That is what it's telling you. We want to use WhatsApp. What you want to do now is you come down the page. Your page is already there. This is where you choose your page. Choose a page for this ad. If you click on this thing, the pages you have will show. All the pages you have will show. See all the pages. It's telling you to choose a page for your ad. You click on it. see now, this account has several pages. You see all the pages have come out. See all the pages. Okay, book words. You're not using this. See all the pages. Let me show you. I don't know why this thing is. Okay, see this arrow here. If you click on the arrow, it will drop down all the pages you have. You now choose the page you want. Okay, see the pages they've come out. You will now choose the page you want to use to run your ad. See all of them. See them all of them. See it here. See all the pages on this ads manager account. You just choose any one you want to use to run your ad. Anyone you just choose, and it will just come here for you to run your ad. This thing is wasting time. So that's it for the page stuff. Things change. Now after the page, the next thing you want to do is you now choose the page. Now you see it's showing us WhatsApp Messenger, WhatsApp, and you uncheck the Messenger. It's showing me WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram. This Messenger and this one they are already checked. You uncheck the Messenger and leave it on WhatsApp. Now your page has to be connected with your WhatsApp business account. You have to. That's another lesson. You have to be connected before now, so you can use it to run your WhatsApp ad. That's it now. Now the next thing, you scroll down, you leave all of these things you're seeing. Maximum number of conversation is conversation that this ad is giving you. They are coming to your WhatsApp DM to chat you up and ask questions concerning what you offer, so they can buy. So what you do now is, the next thing, you come down to your budget. See the budget, the place for daily budget. You change your daily budget and put the amount you want to use, say 2,000 naira upwards, 1.5, depending on the exchange rate. Dollar is more than this June 2024. Dollar is 500 and 100, 1,500 and something. You can use from 1.6, 1.7 upwards, so depending on what you're doing. Then this is where you click here to the date. See June. You click here to change the date. You click here to change the time. Say the time, West African time. Always set your ad to be 4 a.m. If you're setting your ad, okay, if you're setting your ad very early in the morning, you can allow it to run. If you're setting your ad from maybe 10 p.m. It's 12 noon, you set it for the next day. So you put the date for the next day. If this is 17th June, you change the date to 18th June, 4 a.m. West African time. You change it. You scroll down. When you're done that, you leave every other side. You scroll down. The location. See the location here, Nigeria. You click on it and change it. When you click on it, you remove the Nigeria. It's not good to target Nigeria as a whole. You click on it and remove Nigeria. Then start targeting the location you want it to show. See it here. See edit here. You edit it. Take off Nigeria and start targeting every. If this video is getting too long, start targeting the state you want it to show. Then you now scroll down. You can see now this advantage plus is here too. Switch to original audience option. This one too is new. It's not in some videos. What you do now, you click on this switch on it. You do now change to where you need to do all of your targeting. That is your target behavior, interest, demography. It will now switch to that. So you see it and you do your targeting. You see it here. Use original audience. Click on use original audience. When you click on it, it will now bring out that for you to do your ads. So you to do your targeting. You see it now. Come down here. So you see it now. This is a new audience. You change this thing. You click here, you change the age. You click here. If you're selling men's wear, you choose only men. This all gender. If you're selling women's wear, only women. If you're selling men and women, all gender, you leave it on all gender. This place here, add demographic, interest, behavior. This is where you click to start choosing. This is where you do your detailed targeting. We call this detailed targeting. This is where you choose your detailed targeting. So you choose detailed targeting there. I'm sure by now you've done you've known the people you want to target, the class of people you want to target. There's a lesson for that. Before you come to Ask My Agent dashboard, you must have known what you want to do. Then all languages, you change it to English. You click on it and type English. When you type English, you see American English, you see British English, you see all English. You choose all English. There's no time to do that. When you're done, you click on Save This Audience. You save this audience. Then you click on Save This Audience and give it a name. Give your audience a name. Then you come down to this place. When you come down, you can see placement, advantage plus placement. This is automatic. You don't leave it as automatic. You also change it. I've told you about this automatic stuff before. You change it. What you do now, you click on it and edit it. Then click on it, you edit it. When you edit it, you now see manual placement. See manual placement. So you click on manual placement. Manual placement will give you options. You see the manual placement. Now, see the manual placement are giving you options where you choose where you want your ads to show. Oh, you're going back. See the manual placement here. If you had left it on automatic, this is how your ad would have wasted your money. Why is it going back now? Yeah, see it here. See Facebook, audience network, Instagram, Messenger. So this is what I'm saying. It will give you options. What you do now is you uncheck Instagram, you uncheck Messenger, you uncheck audience network, and you leave it on Facebook. Even on Facebook too, you uncheck every place and leave it on only feed. This is how you open up. You click on this arrow. Everything you see the drop down, you're seeing all these drop down. You uncheck all of them and leave only feed. Feed is the first one. All of them. Then even here too, you click on this arrow. The arrow will open up everything. You uncheck all of them. Even here, all of them, you uncheck all and leave it on only feed. That's when you uncheck this Messenger, Instagram, and all of that. Every other box, uncheck them and leave it on only feed. When you're done with that, you now go over and click on, you leave other places and go over and click on next. Next will open and it's taking us to the last phase, which is the ad level. The ad level is where you put the things that people see. This level we are now, this level we are living now is the engine room I talked about in the previous video, where you do all your targeting that people don't see. That's the part that controls the ad, where it will show and the kind of people it will show to, the locations and all of that. That's where it shows. That's where you do it. Now, when you come down here, the next thing you want to do is everything is there already. This one that is showing Instagram, whatever. I did not uncheck the Instagram. That is why it's telling me to choose an Instagram page. We are not using Instagram page. When you uncheck that ad set level, when you uncheck the Instagram there, it will not show here. So you scroll down. When you scroll down, this is where you add your media. This place you see add media. When you click on it, to show you whether to add image or whether to add your video. Your video should be ready by now. Your video should be ready. This is where you put your ad headline. Your ad copy should be ready by now. When you're coming here, you must have written everything. Your ad copy should be ready. Your primary text. This is where you put your primary text. The primary text, all the write-up. This is where you put it. You delete this chat with us at blah blah blah. You delete it and put your primary text. All those stories you tell people that are reading your ad, those stories you read when people are all those write-ups you read. That's it. Then your headline. You put your headline here and leave this description. Your call to action is send message. You can see send message is WhatsApp. When they click, they get to WhatsApp. It's automatic here already because you've chosen WhatsApp at the ad set level. They send message. Then this the conversation, what they ask, what they how they communicate with you when they come, the automatic message that comes when they get to your DM is already here. WhatsApp has done it. Then you can edit it and put what you want. You can edit it and put what you want. This is what this thing is telling you. When you're done with that, you just scroll down, and that's all. You cross-check your work, cross-check it very well, and you click on this button, publish. This green button, I'm not clicking on it because we are not doing ads. I'm not clicking on it. You click on publish. When you publish it, your ad is ready. The next thing is you wait for them to go through your ad and approve it. If they don't approve it, you have to adjust it, because they will tell you what and what to do. You go there and adjust your ad. But before you start running ads, you need to check their ads policy, so you don't violate their policy for them to disable your account. Very, very, very important. So thank you so much. Luda Temple is my name. Thank you for your time. Just go through it and do what is there.